Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to use vitamin B5 moisturizer for an easy and effective skincare routine. Vitamin B5, also known as panthenol, is a fantastic ingredient that acts as a humectant, drawing moisture into your skin. This particular moisturizer usually features a robust 10% concentration of vitamin B5, making it highly effective. Its primary role is to provide deep, oil-free hydration and to actively support the repair of your skin's protective barrier, leaving it feeling soft and supple. Applying your vitamin B5 moisturizer is simple. First, ensure your skin is clean and you've applied any toners or serums. Next, take a sufficient quantity of the product, usually about a pea-sized amount, onto your fingertips. Gently massage this into your face and neck using upward and outward motions. Continue this soothing massage until the moisturizer is completely absorbed, ensuring your skin feels nourished without any greasy residue. This easy method helps maximize its benefits. Using vitamin B5 moisturizer offers numerous benefits for your complexion. It delivers intensive hydration, helping your skin feel plump and smooth throughout the day. Its soothing properties work to calm irritation and can visibly reduce redness, promoting a more even tone. Furthermore, this moisturizer strengthens your skin's natural barrier, enhancing its ability to protect itself. It is particularly well suited for oily, combination, and sensitive skin types, providing balanced care without feeling heavy. To achieve the best results, make this vitamin B5 moisturizer a consistent part of your daily skincare regimen. Apply it once in the morning to prepare your skin for the day, and again in the evening as the final step in your routine. It integrates beautifully with other skincare products, including your favorite serums and sunscreens. Consistent, twice-daily use helps maintain optimal skin hydration, supports barrier repair, and contributes to a healthy, radiant, and clear complexion over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.